Among a vibrant orchard of healthy fruits, the mango stands out like a sun-kissed gem, bursting with over 20 essential vitamins and minerals. Whether sliced into a refreshing salad, or better yet, blend it into a tropical cocktail, it's the ultimate summer companion. Yeah, it is. Did you know mangoes originated over 5,000 years ago in the sun-drenched Hindu-Burma region? That's where they made their grand debut. This lush area stretches from eastern India to southern China across Southeast Asia. Around 300 AD, mango seeds traveled from Asia to the Middle East and East Africa. Then cultivation of mangoes moved westward with the spice trade. The Portuguese, who landed in Calcutta in 1498, were the first to establish a mango trade. Spanish explorers brought mangoes to South America and Mexico in the 1600s. With their roots anchored deep in history, majestic mango trees can grow over 100 feet tall. And some trees defy time itself, bearing fruit for over 300 years, a testament to their resilience. They thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, gracing Brazil, Ecuador, Guatemala, Haiti, Mexico, and Peru with their sweet bounty. And get this, the global annual yield is a staggering 43 million tons. Whoa, that's a lot of flavor. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's set aside the history now and embark on a more immediate adventure: crafting a refreshing mango cooler. This recipe comes from Beachbum Berry's book, Remixed, a gallery of tiki drinks. It's by Thomas Mario, food and drink editor of Playboy magazine, circa 1970. I'm starting with mangoes. Yeah. And you know, you gotta make mango nectar. Now, it's really easy to make mango nectar. Basically, you just take a cup and a half to 2 cups of chopped up mangoes, fresh or frozen. If you're gonna use frozen, you wanna thaw those out first. Maybe a half a cup of sugar, 3 cups of water, and maybe a little splash of lime juice, a little bit of lime juice to perk it up, right? Throw it in your blender, blend it up, and yeah, fine strain it out, pop it in your fridge for a couple hours, and you're ready to go. But instead, what I got here is best mango nectar. And there are a lot of companies out there popping out mango nectar. But best, there's a reason they call it best. The only ingredients in this is water, mango pulp, and sugar. A lot of other companies out there have preservatives, and they use apple juice, they use pear juice. You know, all of a sudden it doesn't sound much like mango juice, does it? Or mango nectar. So I'm using mango nectar from Best. It's good, man. We're gonna go, slide those guys off to the side. We're gonna go with 3 ounces of mango nectar. And this is chilled, which is nice. 3 ounces. We're gonna follow that up with some orange juice, fresh pressed, for sure. Give me 1 second here.
1.
Yes, I know. I like to make a mess.
But it's fresh.
It's fresh, and you gotta go fresh because it changes everything. What I'm looking for is 1.5 ounces of fresh pressed lemon.
Orange?
Or, sorry, orange. Thank you, Aaron.
What is happening today?
I have no idea. Maybe I pressed too many lemons and it's just like embedded in my brain. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, I got 1.5 ounces of fresh pressed orange juice here. It smells so fresh. I'm gonna fine strain just to get some of that pulp out. In the meantime, we're gonna grab a lemon here and we're gonna press at least 1/2 ounce. Well, 1/2 ounce. Why did I say at least? I have no idea. Okay, 1/2 ounce of fresh pressed lemon. 1/2 ounce. And we're gonna fine strain that too. Yeah, why not? That just gets rid of the, you know, some of the pulp. That looks pretty good. Yeah, it does. So, let's add some booze. All right, we're gonna go with 1.5 ounces of vodka. This is the recipe. This is what he's calling for. And COINTREAU. One of my favorites for sure. 1/2 ounce. All I gotta do is get some ice now. It's upstairs. While I'm going to get the ice, check out these fun facts about mangoes. Here are some fun facts about mangoes. In Hinduism, the perfectly ripe mango symbolizes attainment and potential perfection. Giving someone a basket of mangoes is considered a gesture of friendship. Now, legend has it that Buddha meditated not only under a fig tree, but also under a mango tree. Mangoes are distant cousins to cashews and pistachios. And get this, National Mango Day, yeah, there's a National Mango Day, is celebrated every year on July 22nd to pay tribute to the fruit known for its taste and benefits. I got ice. Yeah, I got ice. So all we're gonna do is pop in some ice, fill her up, pop a lid on, and shake it. How was shaking, Aaron? Crickets.
It's always crickets because you just catch us off guard. We should be prepared for this question, but we're not. I don't know. Shake it like a falling mango from the tree.
I'm thinking shake it like Rosemary Clooney's "The Mango Song."
Huh?
What, you been living under a rock?
No, but like,
you don't know that song?
I'll take most obscure musical reference for 1,000, Alex.
Mangoes, papayas.
You don't even know the song.
No, I don't. I know. Mangoes, mangoes, mangoes. Keep shaking. Shake it like a mango. Yeah. Whatever the hell that means. Anyway. Gotta get my frozen glass out of the freezer here. Yeah. And in the book, believe it or not, they're telling me just to do a dirty dump. Yeah. Just dump her in. Oh yeah. Now, in the recipe, what they garnish with is a slice of orange. Yep. Plain and simple. Slice of orange. If that doesn't reek 70s, I don't know what does. Of course, we need a straw. But you know, I think you can be a little more adventurous. Throw in some fresh mango. Yeah, why not? And maybe even, look at here. Look what I got here. I don't know. I mean, garnishes are kind of a signature, aren't they? You know? You can do whatever the hell you want to do with garnishes because it's up to you. I mean, look at this. This is a piece of fresh, dehydrated mango. Oh, that looks awesome. Do we need an umbrella? I got a green one. All right, that'll work. All right, and why not an umbrella? That looks like fun. Oh, let's give it a go. Well, it's really inviting by all the garnishes, and you know, we got the orange in there and the dried mango. Well, the umbrella always makes it festive. And the fresh mango. Let's check it out. It's nice. It's actually very nice, but I find the orange juice overpowering, actually. Definitely thirst quenching. But this really reminds me of a 70s cocktail, by all means. It's like, you know what it is? It's like a souped up screwdriver. It really is.
All this for a screwdriver?
Yeah. I don't know, man. Definitely has a 70s vibe. And you know what else might make it even more of a 70s vibe? Banana liqueur. Why not? This is not the original recipe, okay? Okay, guys. But I'm thinking, nah, that might be too much. I'm thinking, you know, half a bar spoon, 2.5 ml banana liqueur. It's I know, it sounds ridiculous. We just float that on top. Oh geez, now it's even more tropical and more 70s style. Oh my God. All right, let's check this out. Actually, the banana liqueur perks it up a bit. I like it. I like it with the banana liqueur. Weird, I know. I'm a 70s guy. Actually, yeah, wow. You don't need a lot of banana liqueur. Half a bar spoon, that's it. But yeah, that really perked it up. I'm gonna get rid of that. All my garnishes are like floating on the bottom. What can I say? It's a nice cocktail. It's not a great cocktail by any means. I think it works a lot better with the banana liqueur. I really do. Anyway, cheers.
Keep on trucking.
Yeah, keep on trucking. They thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, gracing Brazil, Ecuador, guacamole. Guacamole! I need some guacamole! Do you want guacamole with that? They thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, gracing Brazil, Ecuador, guacamole. Guacamole!
Why do you keep doing that?
I know! I got guacamole brain. Guatemala. We'll just insert that. Here we go. Oh. Okay, come on, compose yourself, Bruce. They thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, gracing Brazil, Ecuador, Guatemala, Haiti, Mexico, and Peru with their sweet bounty. You know, this isn't my kind of drink, but make one and let me know in the comments what you think about it. In the meantime, hit the subscribe button and check these other summertime cocktails out and get your 70s vibe on. Yeah, cheers.